Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use logname command in Linux. So logname command in Linux is a single purpose application or utilities that basically it will print the username or the login name that you use to log into the current system. So for example, if I type logname in my current system, it will print Vagrant because my username right now is Vagrant. Okay, so this command doesn't have any options or parameters that can be passed to the command itself. So only this, that's it, the usage. So let's check the manual page. So as you can see that the manual page said it only have two options, which is help and version. If we check the info log name, so it will print the calling user's name as found in var run utmp or etc utmp. And yeah, that's it. So it has the help and version option that we can pass. Okay, so let's try to use the log name help. So it will print the help, and if we use the log name version, it will print the version, which is not the log name specific version, but this is the GNU Core utils versions. So that's it for the logname command in Linux. Hope this is useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the How to Dojo channel. Like this video if you found this useful, and don't forget to share this channel, this video to your friends, families, anyone basically. So thank you again for watching. See you in the next video.